Cause to let go when I was younger, scared of growing old. I would swim far into the ocean and try to stay afloat, until my lungs would cough up water and sand would coat my bones. And I hope now I feel worthless. Maybe I should open the drawer, burn the pages, write poems with the ash on the floor, pour the ink into the sink and watch it drain from the shore. I don't want love no more, though it's the one thing I've been searching for, though it's the one thing that I miss the most. Now I'm afraid to be alone. I learned to grow old when I was younger, scared of staying young, afraid of the thoughts that I conjured that sat atop my tongue, knowing I'd change the world's opinion if they would just listen up, but they won't now. I don't want love no more, though it's the one thing I've been searching for, though it's the one thing that I miss the most. I'm afraid to be alone. I'm afraid to be alone. Looking in the mirror like maybe I will find myself tonight. I ask for a better mind, then tap into the sight through my third eye. I had never realized, I thought I had chosen my design. I thought I was broken all this time. Love me, though it's the one thing I've been searching. I learned to let go when I was younger, scared of growing old. I would swim far into the ocean and try to stay afloat, until my lungs would cough up water and sand would coat my bones. And I hope now I feel worthless. Maybe I should open the drawer, burn the pages, write poems with the ash on the floor.
Guys, ito na. Titingnan ko yung ating vegetarian recipe. At sinisigurado ko po ito sa inyo guys ay napakasarap po ito, healthy, at low carb talaga siya guys. Kaya itry nyo itong ating recipe na isinishare dito sa inyo. Sa panahon ngayon ay kailangan natin na maging healthy and fit tayo. At ito yung magiging lunch ko ngayon guys. Ito lang siya. Puro vegetables po ito. At saka, halimbawa kapag kayo po ay nagmamadali o wala ng time na magluluto, katulad ko, ay ang oras dito sa akin ay mag-2 o'clock na, ay hindi pa po ako nakapag-lunch. So, madali lang talaga siyang gawin, napaka-easy, at within 30 minutes, meron na po kayong pagkain na nakahanda. Itikman natin yung ating niluto, guys. Alam kong magugustuhan nyo talaga, guys. At saka, kailangan din, guys, sa mga kids, ay pakainin nyo ng ganito sila. Kasi yung anak ko ay gusto niya ito guys. Pinapakain ko po siya, niluluto ko to sa kanya. Kasi at itong recipe ko na i-share sa inyo ngayon guys ay good for 2 person lang talaga ito siya. Sarap guys. Napakasarap. Itong ating zucchini. Sarap. Sinasigurado ko sa inyo guys, magugustuhan nyo talaga itong ating recipe na sinishare sa inyo. Perfect talaga. Napansin nyo, hindi ako naglagay ng salt dahil meron na tayong vegetables broth na nilagay. At saka yung ginamit ko na vegetable broth ay low sodium siya. So, see you again next time guys at have a nice day at magkita-kita ulit tayo sa aking next na video. At thank you so much to all my join members dyan. Hindi ako iniwan, nandyan pa rin sila kahit sobrang busy ako. Sige lang, nandito pa rin ako sa inyo na laging sumusuporta sa inyong lahat. At kapag hindi man po ako nakapunta sa mga premiere nyo, replay po ako. So, see you again next time guys. Thank you so much at have a nice day. At lagi nating tatandaan, health is wealth. Bye-bye. See you. Mwah.